Many of my students asked me, how did I manage BCom graduation course from Shri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University with Chartered Accountancy course, that too with a rank. Hello everyone, this is Pranka Jain. Welcome back to my channel, The Life Baker. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload. Today I've made a video on how did I manage BCom course with Chartered Accountancy course. So today I'll share my own experience with you all so that you can take the benefit out of it. So first of all, why BCom is important? Why do we need a graduation degree? It is really very important for any student to be graduate, be it from a regular college or a correspondence college. If you get admission into a good college or a good university, I would highly recommend you to take admission in that college because it will actually improve your resume as well. Getting into a good college will improve you in all aspects. It will improve your personality, your communication skills will improve, which is really important in today's world. You will be able to mingle up with many people. It will help you to get overall exposure. So if you get admission into a good college, go for it. And if you are not being able to get into good college, do correspondence course, but do BCom. It is really important to get graduate because CA ka degree is okay, but if you are not being able to clear it, then what? At least you will have a BCom graduate degree which will help you to take job in any company. So it is really important कि आप BCom करो. Regular correspondence, that's your choice. I would recommend if in good college, go for regular. Now about how to manage both the course together. I know it's really challenging, but believe me, everyone is doing it and they are doing it in a beautiful way. You should know how to manage it. So I'll share the tips and tricks which I used when I was a student. I was a student of SRCC, and how did I manage to get a rank in CA as well. So the first tip which I'll share with you is prioritize well. देखो, you should know when to study what. During the normal course of time, give more importance to CA subjects and attend regular college for your BCom. When your BCom exams are approaching, try to give more time to your BCom exams than CA. So basically, आपको time manage करना आना चाहिए, how to prioritize what to study when. The second point is, do your CA coachings seriously. The first day of your CA class, from that day itself, you should be very disciplined and sincere, ताकि last में कुछ भी accumulate ना हो. And BCom का पढ़ाई, your BCom course will be completed with CA only, just except 2-3 subjects. So if you do your coaching seriously of CA, which is vast, your BCom course is automatically covered in CA itself. So do your homework of CA coachings, do regular study, उस हिसाब से आपका BCom का पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगा and CA का कोर्स भी accumulate नहीं होगा. It won't be accumulated for the end. The next point is attend your BCom classes regularly if it's worth it. So when you are attending regular classes of BCom, you will get through that course with the classes only. You don't need to study extra. BCom course is still manageable if you are regular with your classes and spend half an hour of the day for your revision, for your everyday whatever you study in the class, or do regular assignments which is given to you in the college. So with the course only, your BCom course is completed. Then just before your exams, like 1 month before your exam, you can study more hard for your BCom and you will be able to manage your BCom exams. The next trick was, I used to be very regular with my CA classes, CA coachings, very regular with my homework assignments, whichever was given in the class. So always daily do at least 1 to 2 hours of self-study at home so that it doesn't create panic in the last few months of your exams. And I made sure that when 3 months are left for my course, for my exam, I am done with one-time reading of all the subjects. I do not take coaching for all the subjects. There are few subjects which are important, you need coaching for that. Rest of the subject you can manage it by yourself also. If you are not disciplined or sincere, take coaching, but with classes make sure that you complete the subject with the classes itself. आपको extra time devote नहीं करना पड़े बाद के लिए कि मेरा ये notes complete नहीं है, I don't have this homework done, I don't have that notes. You should compile all the notes 3 months before your exam at least. You should be ready with all the notes, all the homework, all the study material which is needed for your exams. The next trick is, we all know that both the course together is challenging, but if you actually want to score good marks and you want to crack CA in one go with decent mark in BCom, you will use all the small interspaces of time, travel time, commuting time. Whenever you get time, you can discuss your subjects. Delhi mein ya bahar, whenever you travel from one place to another for your classes, you get time in between. Use travel time to revise. You can read any chapter or something. You can listen to audios which you have recorded, or by any means, or you can discuss with your friends as well when you are traveling with your friends. So basically, when you keep your talk interactive related to studies, it becomes very easy to remember as well. Whatever was taught in the class, whatever was taught in the last class, you can talk about it. It helps you to memorize it and retain it as well for long. When you do both the course together, you should be very particular with time management. Okay, use जो बीच में time मिलते रहता है ना, use that. Whenever you have become like college में classes है, you have one free period, you can go to the library and study. You can discuss with your friends, set targets for each other, that today we'll complete this chapter, today we'll revise this chapter. It totally depends on you how badly you want to achieve that success soon. So if you work hard now, you will get the fruit very soon. One more thing that you can do is divide your time. Like we know college time 8:40 से, जैसे मेरे कॉलेज में SRCC में it used to be 8:40 to 1:30, 2 o'clock we used to attend our college. We used to have fun also. We used to get into societies, do activities. We used to be very regular. But with that also, everyone, whoever did CA then, we could manage our time very properly because we knew we wanted to get it in one go. 5 to 6 hours college में, then maybe you are taking coachings, 4 to 5 hours of coachings. थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लो घर पे. आप पूरे दिन में कुछ भी करके भी एंटायर होल डे में यू विल बी एबल टू टेक आउट 2 to 3 hours ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. ओके, इफ यू कंप्लीट योर सब्जेक्ट्स, योर कोचिंग सब्जेक्ट्स एटलीस्ट विथ योर कॉलेज, ऑल द होमवर्क असाइनमेंट करके, तब भी आपका बहुत बर्डन कम हो जाएगा. ओके, सो ट्राई टू डिवाइड योर स्लॉट. यूज सैटरडे एंड संडेज, वीकेंड्स को यूज करो फॉर योर CA कोर्स, फॉर एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स विच यू नीड टू स्टडी. Basically, those hours, those 3 years is very crucial. You need to manage both. Everyone will be studying something or the other in your college. Be it for CAT, they are preparing. Some might be preparing for CAT. Some might be preparing for CA. Everyone will be very very serious in the last 2 years of their college. So वो environment ही ऐसा होता है कि आपको पढ़ाई करना है. So you'll get that environment to study, and you should know how to use that time to take maximum fruit from that time. And the best part about CA and BCom is there are many subjects which are common, so it becomes very easy to manage both the course together. CA is vast, वो पढ़ने से अच्छे से BCom आपका कवर हो जाएगा. बस टाइम प्रायोरिटी करना, सेट करना आपको आना चाहिए कि आपको किस समय क्या चीज़ ज़्यादा पढ़ना है, किस समय क्या चीज़ कम पढ़ना है. ओके, सो इन दैट वे यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज बोथ द कोर्स टुगेदर एंड यू विल बी एबल टू स्कोर वेरी गुड मार्क्स इन बोथ द कोर्सेज. सो फ्रॉम द एंटायर वीडियो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू दैट be regular. You need to be very very regular and disciplined when you are doing both the course together. It's not tough, it's not impossible. It's actually very very challenging but achievable. If you are regular with your classes, if you are regular with your coachings, if you are regular with your BCom classes, and if you are being able to use small interspaces, small time which you get in between to take the maximum benefit from it, then you will be able to do both the courses together fruitfully. So guys, that's all on how to manage both the courses together. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box. You can also connect with me in Instagram @thelifebaker. And if you want any career guidance, you can visit our website www.markmitra.com, which is given in the description below as well. I really hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.